There are actual reasons to get excited about Samsung's upcoming foldables, but there's pretty strong potential for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra to not just be disappointing, but become a cruel joke. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. People bought Galaxy Z Fold 7 because it was a really good foldable. As repeated leaks have shown, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is being split into two and given a new, wider form factor. Meanwhile, there's a slightly upgraded version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 that'll be sold as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. But Ultra doesn't fit onto a Samsung foldable in literally any capacity. It's got the same design, the same form factor, the same cameras, and really just some improvements to the display crease and a long overdue battery capacity boost. Plus, there's almost no chance Samsung sells these two smartphones for the same price. The branding heavily implies a situation where the Fold 8 would be around the same cost as Fold 7, and Ultra would be more expensive. But with what we know about this Ultra device, there's absolutely nothing that justifies a price hike. Market conditions already threaten to jack the price up on Samsung's next foldable, but unless Samsung is somehow able to turn this new wider device into a more budget-friendly option, there's no sense in getting anything from this lineup. Releasing a rehashed foldable as a more expensive Ultra while putting a brand new form factor into last year's price tag would be incredibly frustrating. Yet, that's just where we are. Hopefully, Ultra won't see the light of day and Samsung can put out two smartphones that just give consumers a choice of their priorities without price being factored in. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.